Hi, I'm Matt, and I've been a client of Dr. Shepard's for about 2.5 years. I have approximately a 10-year history of lower back pain. Always the same injury, herniated disc in the lower back. I have tried a lot of different methods of treatment for this, including going to orthopedist, different types of exercises, different types of supplements, and other chiropractic practices. But what I've found in the last 2 years is the approach that Dr. Shepard and his staff take is so comprehensive that it has been a huge benefit and has helped a lot. I typically will have this injury or this incident once or 2 times a year. In times past, it's a 2 to 3 week recovery period, and that is, when I was seeing other chiropractors, it would still be a 2-week recovery period. It is so bad at times I could barely walk. What I found with Dr. Shepard is if I have this happen, I'm normally back to normal in about 4 or 5 days, which is a huge benefit for me. And the reason, at least the reason I can see for that, is that there's a fully comprehensive approach in terms of using a lot of different methods of treatment, and employing those methods in a way that I haven't seen in other chiropractic practices. There are steps to the program. Dr. Shepard is, I think, excellent at determining which treatments need to be used on which days, depending on where pain levels are and where your recovery is. And that's just not something I've seen in other practices. Most chiropractors seem to have 1 or 2 methods that they go with, whether it's adjustment or electric stimulation or stretching or whatever that is. Dr. Shepard's practice encompasses all of that. So, you basically have a full treatment plan, and it really helps you get back on your feet in a hurry. When I come in for treatment, I'm essentially in and out of the office in about 30 minutes. And basically what we do is, typically, I will come in and we'll do about 10 minutes of electric stimulation, followed by a heat pack. That will be followed either by an adjustment or by some time on a decompression table, depending on what Dr. Shepard thinks I need at that particular time, given where I am. But there are always a number of treatments involved, but it's very convenient and very cost-effective to go through those treatments. I came to Dr. Shepard through a referral from one of my employees, and it's about the best advice I've ever gotten from that employee. Since I've been coming to Dr. Shepard, I've referred him to several other patients. My entire family uses Dr. Shepard now, and I would never hesitate to refer him to anyone. From my experience with multiple chiropractors, he is far and away the best that I've dealt with.